Unexpected encounters between police officers and wild animals were fully captured on Bodycam footage. From bears and alligators to some of the most dangerous wild animals. You won't believe what happens next. Let's follow along with Police versus Wild Animals. Bodycam captures everything. Are these turkeys patrolling the streets instead of traffic cops? That confident strut is absolutely hilarious. These fences really are a dangerous trap for small animals. Fortunately, the officer was both patient and skillful, making sure not to injure the deer any further. This is Florida, where absolutely anything can happen. One day you're catching an alligator, the next you're chasing an emu. Being a police officer here must mean never knowing the meaning of the word boring. These emus are big, strong, and their kicks are no joke. That officer was truly brave, stepping in and handling the situation with his bare hands like it was nothing. Under the scorching Arizona desert sun, having to chase down a speedster like this is the ultimate challenge for any police officer. Oh my gosh, this video is hilarious. It's the first time I've ever seen police officers pull out handcuffs to restrain an ostrich. This suspect is definitely dangerous and very, very fluffy. Catching this cow would definitely require special tactics. Handcuffs would be completely useless. This suspect is extremely cunning, running in zigzags and jumping over medians like an action movie scene from Hollywood. The officers really have their work cut out for them today, an unexpected free endurance workout. This suspect is small but extremely agile, weaving through fences and bushes so quickly that the officers are almost out of breath trying to keep up. It may look entertaining to viewers, but those on the scene understand the pressure involved. Chasing a wild animal along high-speed traffic routes is a serious risk for the officers. The crash scene was already chaotic, and now a herd of cattle is running in all directions, making the situation even more overwhelming for the officers. They have to manage traffic while also protecting the livestock from being hit by vehicles. Many people might think it's risky to guide a cow using a vehicle, but in a situation where it's charging onto a major road and risking a serious accident, this is actually the fastest and safest way to prevent disaster. A very decisive move. The owner of this cow will definitely need to inspect the fencing carefully after this. Of all places to escape to, it chose a busy Central Park. Getting caught quickly was inevitable. Standing boldly in the middle of the road to stop traffic while the herd slowly crosses. It looks as authoritative as a real traffic officer. Wild turkeys can become very aggressive during mating season and don't seem to fear anyone. The officer handled the situation with both skill and caution, ensuring safety for everyone involved. Top marks for composure. Animals become extremely panicked and vulnerable during wildfires, and unlike humans, they cannot open doors to escape. The decisive and courageous actions of the fire and police forces gave them a rare chance of survival. Safely restraining a panicked kangaroo without injuring it is truly an art. A perfect 10 for this rescue and capture operation. The police must have had a tough time containing this kangaroo. With its incredible jumping ability and agility through narrow spaces, even patrol cars can't match its level of mobility. This suspect has top-tier spring-like jumping ability, leaving the officers chasing it nearly out of breath, though they can't hide their excitement. Catching this kangaroo almost seems more entertaining than issuing traffic tickets. The emu is a true long-distance running champion, and today the Tennessee officers are facing a real tough opponent. Watching its long legs sprint down the road makes you feel out of breath just for the officers. I truly respect the officer's courage and calm mindset. Even when dealing with a highly venomous snake, he remained composed and carried out each step with precision. These are some of the most intense and unbelievable moments between police officers and wild animals, all captured on camera. If you enjoy authentic body cam footage like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next episodes.